counting the money. Now I'm dreaming about the money. Woke up thinking about the money. Hey, keep my jeans filled with hundreds. Got them fuck niggas out.
Cut off while I was riding. Like I don't know, it might be hot, overheated, something happened though. I was riding, I'm in 6th gear, I'm in full speed now. I'm going, I felt like I was, you know what I'm saying, pushing it. Like I was at top speed, just going. And all of a sudden it said, like it felt like the brakes locked up or something. Like I almost fell. Like it's a scare. I'm like, what the hell? Pull over to the side. Won't start back up.
A few moments later.
Cut off on me. Alright, y'all, this is dangerous. Ain't never been towed on a dirt bike before. You're gonna have to pull up slow. Just pull up so the slack will come out of the rope. Wait, 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 wait. Wait. Wait, 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 wait. Turn the radio off. All right, come on. Slow. Go. How fast you going? We was coming, so you going kind of fast.
14.
Damn, it felt like 15. Nah.
What?
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna wait for these cars. I just have to hold on to the side of the door. Yeah. What is up, Too Cool Gang, man? The next day type beat, man. We are out here just checking out the bikes. You know, we got to get her done, man. It's a brand new bike, 2021 Kx85, man. Still under warranty, so yeah, man. We got to get her into the shop. They're supposed to come pick it up. You know, got the highest warranty you can get on the bike. But yeah, their driver out of town, whatnot, whatever the case may be. I can't wait that long. So, you know what time it is, man. Going to get the truck. Got to go get a truck, man. Getting this thing taken ASAP. Yeah, man, it's still going on. Same thing. Next day, this thing. I'm gonna push it down with my hand. No compression. Very, very low. So, put a new spark plug in it yesterday after I got back, man. I didn't record that stuff. But, yeah, same, you know, so, yeah. We'll go ahead and get her taken care of. And, yeah, man. take y'all with me. You know, I'm gonna show it, man. The good, bad, the everything. Hey, rock with your boy, man. We in this thing. Yes, sir. What is up, gang? You know the vibes. I ain't got no signs out here, but yeah, man, picking up a truck right quick. Gonna make this thing happen, man. They got a bunch of trailers out here, man.
The rain wearing, loud weed rolling, bad bitch fucking, cold ass nigga, man. Hennessy spilling, Chevrolet whipping, cool sauce dripping. I'm a cold ass nigga. Check, look, fell asleep counting the money, huh? Now I'm dreaming about the money, huh? Woke up thinking about the money, hey. Keep my jeans filled with hunters, huh? Got them fuck niggas out the circle, now my whole team is a hunter, hey. Cody Bean, he a hunter, hey. This field team hold 100. Tell, I ain't with the drama if you wanna move.
Look, Tutu gang, y'all know the vibes, man. Got the bag, got the fight. Go ahead, get her loaded up, man. This thing's done. Just like that, guys. Man, handle this thing, man. It's only an 85. Just imagine it was a 250 or something. Alright, guys, we are back. We got to load it up, man. It took about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Got the new straps on her. Man, they look a little wild right there. Just moving the strap. But it is solid. We got in gears what you want roll. Yeah, man. She ain't going no damn where. Do a one more for good measure. But yeah, she ain't going nowhere. I'm confident in my setup here. In my rig. Yes, sir. Alright, man, we'll pick y'all back up. We'll get to the shop, drop this thing off. Let's get it fixed.
Loud weed rolling, bad bitch fucking, cold ass nigga, man. Hennessy spilling, Chevrolet whipping, cool sauce dripping. I'm a cold ass nigga. Check, look, fell asleep counting the money, huh? Now I'm dreaming about the money, huh? Woke up thinking about the money, hey. Keep my jeans filled with hunters, huh? Got them fuck niggas out the circle, now my whole team is a hunter, hey. Cody Bean, he a hunter, hey. This field team hold 100. Tell, I ain't with the drama. If you wanna rumble, you gon' get it how you want it. Spend it how I'm living, get it out the jungle. All this cash got me living how I wanna. Tell, take your bitch if I wanna, huh? It ain't shit you can do about it, cause I'm a real bout type nigga. I run shit that you to do, boy, huh? Last shit I went to Dubai, huh? I can't be stopped no matter who try, huh? You wasting time, hate me, stay down, and you gon' get yours in due time, huh? If I spit it up for show about it, man, we really get it. What you know about it? All these diamonds dripping, pour some water out of, man, the whip is sick. I tell my throw about it. I don't give a damn, nigga.